Ever pondered on the question, how can one attain financial freedom? Well, you're not alone. There's a universal desire to achieve that sweet spot where money no longer controls your decisions. And today we're going to unravel the secrets of financial freedom and how you can apply them in your life. So what is financial freedom? It's a state where your passive income surpasses your expenses. Sounds simple, right? But the journey to it can be quite challenging. However, with the right steps and determination, it's more than achievable. The first secret is understanding your finances. This is the bedrock of financial freedom. It's crucial to have a clear picture of your income, expenses, savings, and investments. It's like having a map that shows you where you are and where you need to go. Next, you need to create and stick to a budget. This is your financial blueprint. It helps you plan your spending and ensures that you're saving enough to reach your financial goals. Remember, it's not about restricting your spending, but about making informed decisions. The third secret is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can throw you off your path to financial freedom. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, protecting you from such unforeseen situations. Investing is the fourth secret. It's the vehicle that will drive you to your financial freedom. It allows your money to grow over time and generates a passive income that can eventually exceed your expenses. Finally, the fifth secret is to continuously educate yourself about finances. The world of finance is constantly changing, and staying informed will help you make sound financial decisions. So to recap, the secrets of financial freedom are understanding your finances, creating and sticking to a budget, building an emergency fund, investing, and continuous financial education. Remember, financial freedom doesn't mean being rich. It's about having control over your finances and the freedom to make choices that allow you to enjoy your life. It's a journey, not a destination. And like any journey, it requires patience, discipline, and persistence. So why not take the first step today? Start by understanding your finances, and who knows, financial freedom might be closer than you think.